Uh-oh. Representing Sierra Leone. I go by the name T Dots, Africa's best freestylist. Catch me up on Instagram, global guy underscore T Dots. I'm in for this one. Krak Teminato USA. Online rap competition. The rapper is here. Uh-oh. And I go by the name T Dots,
Krak Teminato.
Africa's best freestylist. Sierra Leone. Baby girl, you see I'm falling for you. Give you everything. I wanna come into your life. Baby girl, you see I'm falling for you. Give you everything. I wanna come into your life. Your life. Your life. I wanna come into your life. Your life. Yes. Your life. We gonna date until we marry was the prophecy. Pastor said it in the church today, but honestly, it's like I love you and you love me too. Obviously, I wanna put your name on my skin. That's not perfectly. I'm really not the type of guy with some confusion. I hope I'm not mistaken my whole life for an illusion. Give me your description, put them in some quotation. Will you like to date before jumping into conclusion? Okay, now tell me, you got crush on the skinny guy, or you wanna go around that whack black and shitty guy? Even for you, I can resurrect when I even die. I love the smile you give it to me. Okay, now give me 5. I wanna come into your life so I can put a smile. I was born in September and I know you were born July. Baby girl, you see I'm falling for you. Give you everything. I wanna come into your life. Baby girl, you see I'm falling for you. Give you everything. I wanna come into your life. Your life. Your life. I wanna come into your life. Your life. Yes. Some years back, you used to see me as a broke guy, but now I'm filthy rich. You can check me on the road sign. No need for sentiment, just check them out on both sides. Ambassador for QCell, you can put me on your profile. Life is too short, that's the line that he used to say. Remember kindergarten school days when we used to play. Our Father who art in heaven, that we used to pray. Krak Teminato, you better sign me, let us make some pay. I know I like every girl that I see around, but when it comes to you, I don't mind, that can be a clown. Funny for you and me alone, so don't need a frown. Will give you my hand anytime that you wanna drown. Baby, this me, think about it and give a chance. You are not together in this one, we can make some plans. Beautiful damn self.